Hello and welcome to Shar's Craft Haven. I have the very unique and awesome and multiple ways envious task today to unbox the P2 Riser Base. So without further ado, let's get to it. And I have Mrs. Shar to assist me, you know, two-person lift and all that jazz, OSHA. All right, let's get to it. Riser Base, ooh. And that's it for this unboxing video for the Riser Base. Nom nom nom. Feel free to click on the playlist for more P2 videos or click on Patreon to support the future of this channel. And as always, have fun lasering.